Hi, it's Jamie at the Bead Gallery, and I am here today with my special guest, Mike of Pandawire. Now, Mike has been a friend of ours for going on, how old is your daughter now?
Like over 20 years.
Oh my God, so we've known you about 15 then, because she was tiny when you guys first came into the store. We were on Ward, and Mike came in looking for some supplies. Is that how we met?
Yeah, I wanted to sell my jewelry in your store too. It was very early in my wire journey, and I was looking for somewhere to sell my pieces.
I know. You've come from this to that. I mean, it's been pretty crazy. And we are so lucky because Mike has been teaching with us since. I mean, we got my hooks into him and I was like, hey, Mike, want to teach? And I think we were the first and only place you've ever taught
It's
at.
the only place I've ever taught, yes.
So we have a lot of exclusive designs and we're super happy because he's going to bring back our very own classic Mike's Cab Ride 1. And so what this one is a basic wire wrapping technique.
So this is a classic wire wrapping technique. I think what most people really like about it is that it doesn't have to have a hole. You can use a cabochon, which is just the flat back with a curved front, and you can set it and it can be secure without threading a piece of wire through it. This is really good for a beginner wire wrapper because of the different techniques that you use in it. There's a few different things that you'll learn in this piece that you'll use in a lot of other pieces. And makes it a good beginner piece.
I like it. I think I did this class with you like 15 years ago. I'm ready to get to this level. So we hope that you can join us for this, so you can get the first one under your belt on basic wire wrapping. Now this wire wrapping is a little bit different from the one we call basic wire wrap, where there's a loop and a wrap as a closed circuit wrap. This is traditional wire wrapping where you're wrapping to create like a structure.
A frame, yeah.
Yeah, structural wire wrapping. So this is, I mean, Mike has been doing this with us for so long. He's taught thousands of people. And so we're really excited to bring this to you online and on Zoom. And we're going to have a recording of it so you can play it over and over if you take the class. And during the live class, you can ask questions, which makes it even better because as everyone has always said about Mike, our angel teacher, that he's super patient, super calm, competent, and when you're good at something like this and you can teach it, that's quite the combination. So you're getting someone who's going to teach you who is also experienced at the actual doing and can tell you what it should feel like in your hands, and I think that makes a big difference.
My goal with every class is to make sure that you either go home with a finished piece, or a very, very good start.
So they're going to stay at home with their finished piece.
So yeah, you don't even have to come in for this one.
Oh my gosh, okay. You can follow him on Instagram at
Pandawire.
#Pandawire. And why did you pick that name, Pandawire?
Because I had a boss, I was in the Air Force. I had a boss who told me that my nickname was Panda because I was a Chinese linguist, and it was just tradition to
Can you do the class in Chinese?
I don't think you'd want me to do that. My accent's really bad.
That'd be a bonus, yeah. The bonus is the class also comes translated in Chinese. No, we'll do it in English.
Yeah,
okay.
Good idea.
So this is Mike Liao. We are going to be bringing our very first official Zoom class as the Bead Gallery with our instructor, Mike Liao, coming up at you on June 20.
Something.
Yeah, it's coming up. So we'll put the dates, the description, the time, and a link to sign up. And if you guys have any questions, as always, just reach out and we are here for you. Xie. Oh, Doje. Which one?
Yeah.
Oh, you see it? Kind of like a pro.
Hello, my name is
is Mike Leal. I own Pandawire Jewelry, and I've been wire wrapping for about 20 years now. Today I'm going to show you how to make a project in one of my classes called Cab Ride 1. That's the name of the class. This is actually a kind of a classic